equation of simple harmonic wave. Let I say this is the simple harmonic wave, which we can say sine wave also, and y 0t is written as a sin omega t. Y 0t means we are talking about the particle which is at x equal to 0 at any time t, and y is the displacement and t is the time, and this wave is traveling with speed v. Now if I ask you what is the value of the yxt, yxt means I am talking about that point which is at a distance x and displacement of that point at any time t. अब ध्यान से देखो, जो फिनोमेना ओरिजिन पे t इक्वल टू 0 टाइम पे हो रही होगी, वो फिनोमेना x डिस्टेंस पे मैं कोई पॉइंट p मान लेता हूँ, एट पॉइंट p सेम फिनोमेना विल हैपन एट टाइम t x अपॉन v, बिकॉज यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में टाइम कितना लगेगा, डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड x अपॉन v. यानी जो फिनोमेना x डिस्टेंस पे t टाइम पे हो रही है, सेम फिनोमेना विल एग्जिस्ट एट द 0 मींस ओरिजिन before time, and before time is given by t minus x upon v. So if y02 is a sin omega t, then y0t minus x upon v can be written as the a sin omega t की जगह क्या लिखोगे आप, t minus x upon v. Are you it is clear? Now we will write in different form also. Y can be written as a sin omega is given as the a is the amplitude, we can say this amplitude is a sin omega is written as the 2 pi upon t into t minus x upon v. So y equal to a sin 2 pi t upon t minus x upon v into t. You can say y equal to a sin 2 pi t upon t minus x upon v into t को हम क्या लिखेंगे, lambda. So this is another form. One form is this, another form is this. You can further write it y equal to a sin 2 pi by lambda into lambda t upon t minus x. y equal to a sin 2 pi by lambda, lambda upon t is velocity, तो vt minus x, it is another format. So this is one form of the equation, this is another form of the simple harmonic wave, this is another form of the simple harmonic wave, and you can further write this in another form, y equal to a sin omega t minus omega upon v into x. Omega upon v is a propagation constant k, so y equal to a sin omega t minus kx, it is another form of this wave. One more thing I want to convey to here, if you change the time of recognition, or you say you start the time of observing the wave at t by 2 time later, then this equation will change to y equal to a sin omega x upon v minus t. So don't be confused, t minus x upon v, either ex upon v minus t, both are same, only time of observation is changing, that you will again learn just after some numericals.